Hey, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to have a little fun thing. We are going to measure your digestive system. Not just any digestive system, but your digestive system. It's going to be a personal number. So everyone's going to be a little bit different. There's no copying. And if you pay attention, I'm going to offer up a little bit of extra credit. So stay focused, okay? So how are we going to do this? Now, I can't just stick a ruler down your throat and start measuring your different body parts, right? Well, turns out we can do a bit of approximation, though. Some body parts happen to be the same size as other body parts. So we can measure other body parts to get the same numbers. You don't know what I'm talking about? Here's an example. Turns out from the inside of your elbow, like not down here, but up here to your wrist is the same size as your foot. You don't believe me? Check this out. So my foot inside my elbow, put them together, right up to my wrist. Same size. So we're going to do that with different body parts that equal out to the size of your digestive system. Right. So first thing you need to do is measure your mouth. From your mouth to your pharynx. That's easy. You just go start here at the corner of your mouth and work your way back to your jaw. Now, I don't suggest just outright holding a rule there, because that's kind of hard to do, especially if yours isn't flimsy. If you have a tape measure, that'll work. But what I'm going to suggest is get a piece of string. I got some ribbon, that'll work. Put that across and just measure this in centimeters, guys. We're doing this in centimeters. Why? Because that's what you do in science. And for me, I am 13.5 centimeters. Now here's where the extra credit comes in. If I'm using string, then you can use this string for all of your body parts, and you can just keep getting longer and longer, and you can pull out the entire length of your digestive system. So here's the extra credit. You find the length of your digestive system, and if you happen to have long enough string, ribbon, wire, whatever you got, and then you can pull out the length of your digestive system, take a picture of it, of you holding it or you two other people holding it across, and send that into Google Classroom. I will give you extra credit for showing me that length. Right? So how do we find the other body parts? First off, do the whole thing in order. So remember, the mouth was from the corner of your mouth to your jaw. Just put the string there and measure that string. Esophagus is going to be from your mouth all the way down to the bottom of your ribs, right where your rib cage gets soft, right here, right? So you measure this length. Now here's where it gets weird. Your stomach. How are you going to measure your stomach, right? Turns out, surfer hands, right? You can spread your hand out like this, but you don't need these three. Just go like this, and from your thumb, that's your pinky, from your thumb to your pinky, that length is your digestive system. You don't even need the string for that one, do you? You can use the ruler. I got 20 centimeters. And then here's where it gets weird. Your small intestine. This mess right here. Not as small as you think it is. That is the length of your body. The entire length of your body times 4. That's right, the length of your body times 4. So are you going to measure yourself 4 times, stick this under your foot and just raise it up? You can, but there's an easier way. Another approximation, guys, it turns out, tangled there, that we make a perfect square unless you got some kind of mutation, meaning from fingertips to fingertips is also the length of your body from toe to head. So all you have to do is hold the string, go out as far as you can, and there is the length of my body. You can test that out. Look at that, length of my body. Times 4, not a problem. That's 1. That's 2. I'm tangled, but you get the picture. Just do that. Keep doing that a couple times. See if I can untangle really quick. Try that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm tangled again. All right, but that would be my small intestine, my height 4 times. And then after your small intestine, we have the large intestine going up, over, and down, and down. Right? That is the length of your body once. So you'll just do this again. 1. All right, that's it. All right, and then you add them all up to get your total length. So if you can get a long enough string, or maybe multiple pieces tied together, stretch it all out to get the length of your entire digestive system. I would love a picture of that for extra credit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you are recording all this information on the attached whatever, Google Form, Google Doc, whatever I make, I didn't make it yet, on Google Classroom. Any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact me, and good luck. I can't wait to see this.